Hello, I'm Joyce Rossen. I'm a certified counselor, and this is your Healthy Minute for today. You can dispel mild or moderate depression a lot quicker if you start taking responsibility. This refers to making each decision in your life yourself and standing by the consequences of it. This leads to feelings of greater control and ultimately happiness. And happiness stems from the degree to which you feel you are in control of your life. Taking responsibility is taking control. When you blame someone or something else for your problems, you essentially remove the option of being able to do anything about it. It's important to note that taking responsibility is not the same as admitting fault. It is highly unlikely that it's your fault that you're depressed, but it is your duty to take responsibility to do something about it. May God bless you in this endeavor.